Assalamu alaikum. This is a review about my motorcycle Honda Hornets CBS version. I drove my motorcycle 4,132 km. That's my audio, and I'm able to refuel my motorcycle due to this lock damage. As you can see, like if I try to put it on, this is an opening. So this is the part I was talking about. I'm unable to open the lock here. The lock is damaged, I think. So I cannot refuel this motorcycle. I cannot ride this motorcycle at this point because I'm unable to open this lock here. So I just, you can see there's could be some damage in the inside lock here. But other parts, other locks are really fine. Like this is okay. I drove my motorcycle for the 132. This is it.